Hey everybody, it's Tim McAmis out in the shop tonight, and I got a new product to introduce to you. So this piece here is on our site as it's a dzus rail, 7/16 dzus rail, which means it's made for the larger diameter quarter-turn fasteners. Dzus is just a brand name, but these are quarter-turn fasteners here. So this is made for a lot of different applications, but mostly for like a steel front fender car, something that you're putting like a fiberglass hood on. It's 47 inches overall. These holes are on 9-inch centers, so 45-inch center to center on the holes. You can see they're drilled for the 1 3/8 spring in a variety of positions. So you can twist this thing around. You can clock this spring to get, and the reason you would do that is to get the orientation of the slot the way you want it. So depending on how you're going to mount the quarter-turn fastener, you can get your slot position changed. You can also do it for clearance, but you've got a variety of options here, 3 different positions you could mount these on. These are made out of aluminum. You can see on the back side here is kind of a unique little design. These holes here, these 1/8 are going to be obviously for fastening, so that's mostly a blind hole. A lot of times you won't be able to get to the back side, so these are made to use pop rivets on. Should really use an AVEX style rivet, so I'll talk to you about rivets in a minute, but this fastening system is made so that you're going to use a cleco to start with. So the clecos are the 1/8 inch, and you can look at them on our site. The clecos are a temporary fastening device. They use a pair of pliers. They're about 1.5 inches long, and you squeeze the pliers, and then it pushes the little 2 prongs into the hole, and then you pull it back tight. So most of the time you'll have a little curve to the fender, slight little curve. So these bend real easy. You don't even have to bend them much. You can do it as you fasten them. But it's made to put this 1/8 hole in the center of this slot, okay? And then so as you're fastening it, you can go down through there and put this hole in there and then cleco it in the center. Now what that's going to do is that's going to hold you in place. It's going to give you the ability to adjust it slightly. So depending on the thickness of your hood, you can adjust this up or down to get the right flush fit with the top of your fender. And then once you've got it in place with the clecos, then you can just slip the hood off, and then you can come back in from this backside and drill these 1/8 holes and pop this in, and then remove the clecos. Now you're going to have an 1/8 hole here, and you'll have the choice of either just putting a pop rivet in there or leaving the hole. If it were me, just to fill the hole, I would put a pop rivet in it. But super nice piece, very easy to use. The length is such that it's going to fill the space on most hood openings. Almost all of them are going to cover this. And then you can go across the front with the same part. So usually 3 of these will do a standard size hood. If you're fitting it across the back, across the cowl, you'll need another piece for that. But most of the time this is going to go down both sides and across the front. Usually if it's a fiberglass hood or a really nice quality carbon hood, the back will support itself. But you may need a short section on each side in the back. So anyway, check this product out. Super nice and clean, and does a nice job. If you got any questions on them, call one of our guys and they'll be happy to help you, and we will talk to you later.